Just wait a minute, I will be with you shortly. Journalism is the collection and publication or transmission of news. It's time to finalize the work before the Wednesday seminar. It is important to take gender into account when discussing the figures. It is important that you work as a team on this project. I've got a tutorial in an hour and I haven't had any time to prepare for it. I will check again, but I am pretty sure we are supposed to read chapter 2. I will be in my office every day from 11 to 12. I thought the midterm exam was only worth half of our course grade. I think the university's main campus is closed. Farmers do not always receive the price for agricultural goods. Don't forget to hand in your assignments by the end of next week. Doing this research makes me think of the purpose of science. Distance learning has become far more popular these days. Conferences are always scheduled on the third Wednesday of the month. Any text or references you make should be cited appropriately in the footnotes. Allergy problems do run in the family, but we don't understand why. The college welcomes students from all over the world. The psychology department is looking for volunteers to be involved in research projects. Would you prepare some PowerPoint slides with appropriate graphs? A preliminary bibliography is due the week before the spring break. You should raise your concern with head of school. If you forget your student number, you should contact Jenny Bryce. We are delighted to have Professor Robert join our faculty. There will be a significant rise in tuition fees starting next year. Essays should be typed with double space on white paper. We've decided to ask you to write 4 short pieces of written coursework this year. We are warning the clients that the rates are increasing. We welcome international students from all over the world. Please hand in assignments at the main office. The Drama Society is now auditioning for parts in the student play. We like people to write a case study, describing an organization they know. In the past, students were required to complete 2 long written assignments. They were struggling to pay their fees last year. International students can get help with locating housing near university. This year we are applying to use a different type of assessment to this module. During the next few centuries, London will become one of the most powerful and prosperous cities in Europe. England as parliamentary democracy and constitutional monarchy. The medical center is located near the supermarket on North Street. Dr. Green's office has been moved to the second floor of the building. There is a position available for a junior lecturer in media studies. Essays should be typed with double space in white paper. My tutorial class will begin at the next Monday's morning. The campus tour will help you get familiar with the teaching facilities.
The library will be closed for 3 days over the bank holiday weekend. Many privately owned firms have been eaten by larger corporations. If you want to quit the student union, tell the registrar. I thought the midterm exam was only worth half our course grade. I'll check again, but I am pretty sure that we are supposed to read chapter 2. There is a position available for junior lecturer in medical studies.